Welcome to Home Tutor PCM. Today topic is exercise 7.2 remaining question. Now see the question. Integration by the substitution method. So can we substitute? Let x plus 4 equal to t. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get dx equal to dt. But we find the value of x. So we can write as x equal to t minus 4. Okay. Put this substitution in this, we get value of x is t minus 4. T minus 4 integration upon t root t dt. Okay. Or we can write as root t equal to t power 1 upon 2. Right as? So integration of t minus 4 upon t 1 upon 2 dt. Simplifying that, we can write as integration of t upon 1 upon 2 dt minus 4 upon dt upon t power 1 upon 2. Okay. So we get 1 upon t and t. We get t dt 1 upon 2. Okay. Minus 4 t of minus 1 upon 2 dt. Integration of this minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c2. Okay. Now we can solve this. T power 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 plus c1 minus 4 of t power 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 plus c2. Okay. Now exchanging numerator and denominator, we get this 2 upon 3 t power 3 upon 2 minus 4 2 t upon 1 upon 2 plus c. Okay. c1 here, c1 plus c2 equal to c. C is constant. Okay. So substitute the value of t. Value of t is 2 upon 3. Value of t is x plus 4 3 upon 2 minus 8. We can write x plus 4 power 1 upon 2 plus c. Or we can simplify that. We can write as 2 upon 3 x plus 4 minus x minus 8 power 1 upon 2. Okay. Nothing else. We simplifying these and we got this. So the final answer is 2 upon 3 root x plus 4 minus x minus 8 plus c. This is our final answer. Okay, scholars. Nothing else. We get common in these equations and we find this. So final answer is this. Okay. Question number 12. Substituting the value. So we discuss question number 12. So question number 12 is this. We can write as x plus 1 1 upon 3 or x cube here x cube x square dx. Can we write as? So now substituting the value x cube plus 1 equal to t. Okay. So 3x square dx equal to dt, or we can write x square dx equal to 1 upon 3 dt, or x cube from here x cube equal to t plus 1. Then minus 1 है, minus 1 and minus 1. Okay. So x cube value is this t plus 1. Now substitute these all in this integral. We get integral of value of x cube is t plus 1. T plus 1. Value of this is t power 1 upon 3 and dt value is this and 1 upon 3 also. Okay. Now multiplying this bracket, we get 1 upon 3 integration of t 4 upon 3 plus t 1 upon 3 dt. Okay. Now we integrate this, we get 1 upon 3 t power 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 by this formula, integration of xn equal to x n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay. We get this 7 upon 3 plus p of 4 upon 3 plus c. Okay. Now exchanging numerator and denominator. Okay. We get 1 upon 3 3 upon 7 t power 7 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 t power 4 upon 3 plus c. Okay. c1 plus c2 is constant. Okay. Now multiplying this bracket, but we are applying the value of t. Value of t is 1 upon 3 3 upon 7. Value of t is x cube minus 1 7 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 x cube minus 1 power 4 upon 3 plus c. So here we got final answer 1 upon 7. 3 is 3 cancel out, and here is 3 is 3 cancel out. We got 1 upon 7 x cube minus 1 power 7 upon 3 plus plus 1 upon 4 x cube minus 1 power 4 upon 3 plus c. So scholars, this is our final answer. Okay. Question number 13. Integration of x square upon 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx. So we put 3x cube plus 2 equal to t, or in differentiation with respect to x, we get 9x square dx equal to dt, or x square dx equal to 1 upon 9 dt. Okay. Substituting this in this integral, we get 1 upon 9 or dx p whole cube dt. Okay. Substituting this value, we got this. Now 1 upon 9 integral of dt upon p cube. So we can write as 1 upon 9 integral of t minus 3 dt. Okay. We got 1 upon 9 t of minus 3 plus 1 on minus 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now minus 1 upon 9 or we get 1 upon 9 t minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. Okay. Or we can simplify, we get 1 upon minus 1 upon 18 1 upon t square plus c. Okay. Now the substituting the value of t, we get minus 1 upon 18 1 upon value of t is 3x cube plus 2 whole square plus c. Okay scholars, this is our final answer. Okay. Question number 15. Integration of 1 upon x log x power n dx. X is greater than 0. So we substitute, let log of x equal to t. In differentiation of this 1 upon x dx equal to dt. Okay. We substituting this value in this integral, we get integration of 1 upon dt upon t power n. Okay, so we written as integration of t minus m dt. Okay, now integration of this, we get this t minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1 plus 1 plus c. Okay, integration of this. Okay, so we can write as t m 1 minus m or 1 minus m plus c. Okay, substituting the value of t, so log of 1 minus m upon 1 minus m plus c. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, question number 15. Integration of x upon 9 minus 4x square dx. So we assume 9x 4x square equal to t. Differentiate of this, minus 8x dx equal to dt. But we want the value of x, so we can write as x dx minus of equal to 1 upon 8 dt. Okay, so minus 1 upon 8 integration of dt upon t. Okay, so minus 1 upon 8, this integration is log of t plus c. Okay, so substituting the value of t is this, we get minus 1 upon 8 log of 9 minus 4x square plus c. Scholars, this is our final answer. Okay, question number 16. So we know that the integration of this is et, so 2x plus 1 equal to t, so 2 dx equal to dt, so dx equal to 1 upon 2 dt. Okay, substituting the value of this in this integral, we get integral of et dt or 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is constant, we get outside, and integration of et dt. So integration of this 1 upon 2 et plus c. Now the substituting the value of t, we get 1 upon 2 e 2x plus 3 plus c. Here 3. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, scholars. Question number 17. Integration of x upon e power x square dx. Now let x square equal to t. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x, we get 2x dx equal to dt. So or we can write as x dx equal to 1 upon 2 dt. Okay, substituting this value in this integral, we get integration of 1 upon 2 integration of dt upon et. Okay, or we can write as 1 upon 2 integration of e minus power of t dt. Okay, or integration of et is et, we have minus sign, so applying in the minus sign, so minus 1 upon 2 e minus t plus c. Okay, now substituting the value of t, minus 1 upon 2, value of t is x square plus c. So the final answer is minus e x square upon 2 plus c. This is our final answer. Okay, or we can write as minus 1 upon 2 e power x square plus c. Okay, both answer is correct, this and this. Okay, question number 18. Integration of e power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. We note the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 plus x square. So but we integrate by the substitution method. So we substitute tan inverse x equal to t. Differentiation is 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. Okay. So substituting the value et dt. Okay. Integration of this is et plus c. Okay. Now the substitution, the value of t is tan inverse x plus c, e power tan inverse x plus c. Okay, this is our final answer. Question number 19. Integrate this function by the method of substitution. Now what we do? We apply this. Let e of 2x minus 1 upon e of 2x plus 1. Can we multiply or divide e of x and e of x? So we get the integral e of x minus e of x minus x upon e of x plus e of minus x dx. So integrate this function. So let e of x plus e of minus x equal to t. Differentiation of this is e of x minus e of minus x equal to dt. Okay. Now substituting, we get dt upon t. Integrate of this, we got log of t plus c. Now the substituting the value of t is log e of x plus e of minus x plus c. So this is our final answer. Okay, scholars. Question number 20. Integrate this function. So let e of 2x plus e of minus 2x equal to t. So differentiation with respect to x, we get e of 2x 2 minus e of 2x 2 dx equal to dt. Or we can write as 2 is common, e of 2x minus e of minus 2x dx equal to dt. So e of 2x minus e of minus 2x dx equal to 1 upon 2 dt. Okay. Now substituting this value in this, we get 1 upon 2 integration of dt upon t. So integration of this 1 upon 2 log t plus c. Now the substituting the value of t, we got log of e 2x plus e minus 2x plus c. This is our final answer. Okay.